Hey guys, so back with another story, another zoo story. And it's funny because I didn't realize this until just now. The first story I picked out was about an elephant, and the next story I picked out is about an elephant. So if you want to hear about other zoo animals, you'll have to come to Zoom to hear about those because I've got some great ones picked out for Zoom too. So, hiccups for elephant. Oh my goodness, look at all the animals on there. We have a zebra, we have a lion, an elephant, a mouse, a monkey, and the elephant has the hiccups. 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 Hiccups for elephant. Here we go. Let's see what happens. It was nap time, and all the animals were fast asleep. They look like they're having good naps too. Look at lion's mouth hanging open. Goodness gracious. The monkey's in the tree. Everybody looks happy. Except for elephant. He had the hiccups. Chimp woke up. He looks startled, doesn't he? Hanging out of that tree upside down and startled. Ooh, what happened? I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. I have heard a lot of cures for hiccups, but I have never heard that cure for a hiccup. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. I think standing on my head would make me dizzy too. Lion woke up. Look at the expressions on their faces. That cracks me up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very, very fast. Ooh, now Miss Lee used to try that one when I was younger. Sometimes it worked. Let's see what happens. You gotta turn the page. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Look at the lion. He looks very satisfied that the elephant is trying his idea. The elephant's eyes look like he's maybe getting too much water. Didn't work. Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Now, y'all know that Mrs. Lee, whenever I get the hiccups, I have to hold my breath and I have to count to 20. You guys have helped me do that before. And every time it works for Mrs. Lee. But things that work for different people. So, elephant gave it a try. Count with me backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at his nose. He nodded his nose. I wonder why he nodded his nose. Well, his trunk, actually. It's not even his nose. His trunk. Why do you think he nodded his trunk? Ooh, and he's like, ooh, hiccup! Mouse woke up. Ooh, look at Mouse's face. Mouse does not look very happy to me. What's all the noise? I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Nobody's been able to cure his hiccups yet. Mouse looked elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Now, if you know, you probably don't, but supposedly elephants are afraid of mice. So when the mouse yelled boo at the elephant, it scared him. And so that's what stopped his hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. Aw, look at elephant, he's looking happy. Mouse, well, he's just looking like, I knew what to do. And all the animals fell back asleep. Seems peaceful, right? Everybody's napping, sleeping in the trees, snuggled up to one another. But who is missing from that picture right there? The elephant. Everyone fell asleep except for Elephant. Achoo! Oh my goodness. Do you think they'll be able to come up with a solution for his sneezing now? Poor Elephant. From the hiccups to the sneezing. Poor, poor Elephant. Remember, when you sneeze, you have to sneeze into your elbow. Achoo! When you cough, into your elbow. Wash your hands with soap and water. Really good. Make sure you wash those hands, soap and water. And use hand sanitizer. I hope you liked our stories about the elephants. Hiccups for elephant. And then, will you be my friend? Do you want to be my friend? I hope you liked them. All right, guys. Have a good day.